Hi, I'm Diana and welcome to our Tuesday series called UnBlah Your Life, where we tackle small projects that add up to a big difference in your life. Today's small project is very small and very cheap. Should I say inexpensive? Inexpensive. Today we're talking about our shoes, specifically our dirty shoes. It does project a certain image about yourself, how much you care about yourself, your presentation to the world. And I do believe in giving your gym shoes a clean every once in a while, but I really specifically encourage you to keep your everyday shoes as clean as possible. Everyone knows that your clothes say a lot about you, but the condition of your shoes also say a lot about how you care for yourself and how you'll care for everything around you. And I'm going to give you my super secret formula to have the cleanest shoes possible. That formula also cleans many other things in my life, so I really want to share that with you. You know I wear these a lot, and you know they're very old if these toes are this worn. But look how brand new they look. That's because of the super secret formula. Yeah, it's time for new sneakers, I know. Recently, I went on a week-long trip to Virginia Beach. I brought these sandals and I wore them every single day. And they got pretty dirty. And I used my super secret formula to clean these up. It's not really that secret. It's probably something you could find on the internet, like on YouTube in a video. And it involves 3 ingredients. You need to have the blue Dawn dishwashing liquid, some baking soda, and hydrogen peroxide, and an old toothbrush. I do not have any specific recipe for you. I just blend them all together in a way that looks pleasing to me, as you can see in this example here. I use a very small dish. That's enough for 2 shoes. If you feel you need more scrubbing power, add more baking soda. But this combination of 3 ingredients, I have used this to clean the yellow armpits out of white shirts. I've used it to clean the house. Anything that needs a little scrub-a-dub, this is a really great formula. And as you can see, it doesn't change the color of fabrics, although you should do a fabric test before you use it on anything. I have never had it change the color of any fabric I've used it on. So you mix together your magic formula, you scrub it onto the white parts of your shoes, and I even use it on the fabric parts if they are dirty. And then I take the toothbrush and I run it under water and I start to scrub off the soapy stuff. And then I actually run the white parts of my shoes under the water. As I'm scrubbing, I also like to get the edge of my shoe because it does show a little bit when you walk, but I don't scrub the whole bottom because I'm just going to be walking outside with them shortly. Nobody's going to see it before it even gets dirty again. Some people go all the way and scrub the bottom. I do not. So once I rinse them off in the water and I use a towel to really just scrub off any remaining baking soda, just get them really dry, and they're going to be damp. So if, like my black shoes, they got really damp because I really cleaned the fabric part, I stuff them full of towels as they dry so they keep their shape. And that's it, babies. It's so simple to have nice, clean shoes to present to the world, to show that you care about yourself and you care about the things in your life. And this small bit of effort has really changed how my outfits look when I really care about how my shoes are presented. It's a small difference that you can make with your shoes, but it will make a difference in your life because caring for your shoes is self-care. And self-care is always a good thing. That was short and sweet. I am not known for being that concise, and I'm dragging this out far too long at this point. So, I'll see you soon.